Hiya, it's me, Cookie Mounster.
And I'm Chef Gang, and we are
Mounster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What you Elmo's peanut butter, Abby's apple pie, Oscar's mushroom, and Big Bird's corn, Bert's Rosita's, Elmo's peanut butter, banana, and honey sandwich. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing banana.
Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the banana farm. Come on, let's drive to the banana farm. Click to start driving. We on our way to get banana. We made it to the banana farm. Collect the bananas. Go ahead. More bananas.
There's another banana. Yay, you got one.
You are
Hey, now let's make some food.
to make peanut butter, banana, and oh yeah. Then peel the banana.
Next,
Cowabunga! Now add the honey. Oh yeah.
and last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gong time! Go ahead! Click to gong the... It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Elmo.
Launch the catapult!
Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo.
What's your...
Big Bird Abby's apple pie. Oscar's mushroom and Rosita's tacos. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need tortillas, beans, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing tortilla.
Come on, we gotta go get some more. To the tortilla factory. We're going to the tortilla factory. We're going to the tortilla factory.
Whoops. We made it to the tortilla factory. Tortillas are made from corn that's been grown in a field. Then it's sent to the factory to become tortillas. Help make the tortillas. Go ahead, click to turn the crank. You are a good crank turner.
Time to cook.
To make tacos,
First, we spread the beans. Make sure to get it all over.
Then chop the tomato.
Chop, 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 choppity chop, chop. Now we chop the onions. Chop, 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 choppity chop, chop.
Next, sprinkle the cheese.
Make sure to get it all over. Then we fold it in half. Guns away! Go ahead. Click to. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Rosita. Order of
Rosita, here's some tasty tacos. What's your
Abby's apple pie, Big Bird's cornbread oatmeal with blueberries. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need herbs, water, blueberries, honey, and cinnamon. Oh no, looks like we're missing blueberry. Come on, we gotta go get some more to the blueberry farm.
We on our way to the blueberry farm.
We're going to get blueberry. We're here at the blueberry farm.
Collect the blueberries. Go ahead, click to collect.
Yay, you got one.
You a good collector. More.
Time to cook.
To make oatmeal with blueberries. Then some water. Next, mix to that good mixing.
Now I will take it and cook it up.
Next, oh yeah.
Then the blueberry.
And last but not least, sprinkle cinnamon on top.
Gong time. Go ahead. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Bert.
Launch the catapult.
Hot oatmeal with blueberries coming at ya, Bert. Oh, what do you want to make next? Go ahead, click. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, and mushrooms. Oh no, looks like we're missing pineapple. Come on, we gotta go get some more to the pineapple farm.
We on our way to get pineapple.
We're going to get pineapple. We're here at the pineapple farm.
Collect the pineapples. Go ahead, click to collect the.
Yay, you got one. There's another pineapple.
Okay, we got the pineapples. To make mushroom and pineapple pizza, first roll out dough.
Roll, roll, roll your dough. Now spread the tomatoes.
Oh, yeah. Now sprinkle.
Make sure to get it all over. Then chop.
Cowabunga! Next, chop mushrooms.
Then I'll put it into the oven to bake. Gong the gong. Go ahead. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Oscar.
Launch the catapult. Oscar, it's pizza time.
What do you want to make next? Go ahead. Click on the food. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, water, butter, salt, apples, sugar, and cinnamon. Oh no! Looks like we're missing apple! Come on! We gotta go get some more!
To the apple orchard. We on our way to the apple orchard. We on our way to the apple orchard. We made it to the apple orchard. Collect the apples. Go ahead, you a good collector.
Yay! You got one! Let's get cooking!
To make apple pie, first
Now add water
then add some butter. Yep.
and a little bit of salt. Then we mix. Stir, 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 stir.
Next, roll out dough.
Roll your dough. Now we chop.
Cowabunga! Then add sugar.
And cinnamon. Next, I'll put the dough on top and then bake. Gongs away! Go ahead! Click. It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Abby.
Launch the catapult! Abby, you got some apple pie coming!
What do you want to make next? Go ahead. Click on the food you want to make. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, corn, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and oil.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing egg.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the farm. We're going to the farm.
We on our way to get egg. We made it to the farm. Collect the eggs. Go ahead. Click to collect the eggs. You a good collector.
There's another.
Thank you, Miss Chicken.
Let's get cooking.
To make cornbread, first, yep.
Now we shook the corn.
Then put corn in bowl.
Next, add hair.
Then add sugar.
And a little.
Next, add some baking powder.
Now add,
Then add some oil. Mix it all together.
Stir, 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 stir. Then I put it into the oven to bake. Guns away! Go ahead! Click, it's ready!
Now, it's time to send to Big Bird. Order up. Here comes some cornbread, Big Bird. What do you want to make next? Go ahead. Click on the food you want to make.